everyone, it's HappyMailQueen. Today I am sharing an Alina Craft Design Team project featuring this border die right here, which is from her August release. I also use this word die that spells boo 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 and another word die that says treats. And I've shared this with you guys before. And of course, one of her famous tags. I created a few treat bags using one of the dies from my stash, and it actually creates these, they almost look like little policy envelopes, but they're actually called pocket die with a scallop edge. And I just used one of my Halloween papers, and I created this bow die. This is a die from my stash, but here is where I used that beautiful border that has the little jack-o'-lantern. Isn't that really pretty? I love it. I love it. And he created a pocket here. So you can actually also put die cuts. Like here, I already die cut these. So you can put treats in here, those fun size candy, Halloween candy. Okay, you can stick in here, or like I said, you can put some dies in there. And this is a little paper clip that I just created using one of these jumbo confetti pieces from Walmart. But isn't that cute? I love the way they came out. So I made several different ones. So here's another one here. So isn't this cute? There again, you can see the design. And if you wanted, if you don't have like a die that creates these pockets, policy envelopes are really easy to create. You can just look up a tutorial. And you can make them any size you want, but you could also use this border die to create the edge here instead of the scallop edge. So I thought that would be fun also. I just didn't get a chance to do that, but that's just another idea. Here are those treats, what do you call it, die cuts. From that treats die. I love this, and I think they come out so cute. And this is just a fun way to give a little gift. So you can put candy in there and maybe, you know, put treats here like that, or like, again, some paper clips. And lots of room. You could even put another pocket in the back if you wanted to, using that edge die. So that's another fun one. Here's another one that I created. This time I used glitter paper instead of the foil. And again, it creates that fun edge. And it just makes for a cute little Halloween treat bag. Some more die cuts. Again, if you wanted to put die cuts, you can put whatever you want in here. Sequins. And what would be fun too is you can even you know, glue this down right here, and then you can have a little word edge right there. You know what I mean? You can just like glue this kind of like that in the back or inside, and just the possibilities are endless with these fun Halloween dies from her August release. So here's another bat there, but it's so cute and it's so tiny. I just put a little tool, and then this is just a rosette that I created, which I can't remember if I shared this with you guys before, but I just also I love this little circle with the stitch. This is actually another one of her August release die. This came with one of her sets. I think it's the one with the spider web. That's another fun die to get. Anyway, here's another one right here, and this time I put a tag. So I just made simple tags using one of her tag dies. I love using this tag die because it's just so pretty. And I just added a little tassel, but just to give you guys some ideas on how to create these little pockets, okay, using that edge die. I love that die. Seriously, it just adds a little extra, you know, to your project. So instead of like just a plain, you know, little pocket, you have that decorative edge. And it's so much fun. Here's another one right here. This time I used a purple, it has teeny tiny glitter on it too, very fine glitter. And then you can put another paper clip. So this is another great way to, you know, again, you can store candy, paper clips, die cuts, tags. Not store, but you know what I mean. You can use it to gift. And it's just a nice little small gift, right? Oops, that came off because of the jump ring. But anyway, another tassel, and made another little tag using that tag die. And this time I used 2 different sizes. And then a paper clip. And then there's that. Look how pretty. You can really see it because of the contrasting colors. Right? Oh my gosh. I had so much fun with this one. So that's another Alina Craft Design Team project that I wanted to share with you guys. Stay tuned because I will be uploading you know, a couple more videos this week. And I'm gonna move on. I mean, I'll come back to Halloween again, probably, but I wanted to do some, I wanted to play with some of her fun Christmas dies that I have not yet played with, so I'm super excited. So check out her store, Alina Craft Store on AliExpress. I will leave the links to the dies I used today, and thanks so much for watching.